So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to peel an egg quickly and efficiently. So I've seen other YouTube videos where they teach you how to peel an egg fast. The only thing is, often they include techniques like dipping the egg in a bowl of icy water or putting the egg in a glass of water and shaking it around. But the thing is, you can't always use those techniques because let's say you're in a restaurant or let's say you are at a hotel, you're not going to always be able to use those techniques. So this is a foolproof way to peel an egg quickly and efficiently. And to be honest, you can do it quite quickly once you get the hang of this. So the first thing you want to do is take your egg and put it on a plate. And then what you're going to do is hit the egg, kind of put your palm over the egg and put some pressure in a tapping motion, and then you're going to eventually hear a crack. Make sure you don't do this too hard because you could cause the egg to break, and if you have a soft boiled egg then the yolk will start running out. But apply a decent amount of pressure just to the point where you hear the egg crack, and then from this point you're going to start rolling the egg. And when you do this, you're going to hear multiple cracks, and you're going to have cracks kind of all around the surface of the egg from this point. And then once you've done this, you're going to pick a point at the center of the egg, and then you're going to start picking at the shell, taking off these small pieces and go around the equator of the egg. So basically it's going to look something like this, and you're left with the top part of the shell and the bottom part of the shell. Then what you want to do is pick away at the top or bottom part of the shell, and normally there is a membrane between the eggshell and the white part of the egg. Often what happens is you have a membrane between the eggshell and the actual white part of the egg. Once you've cleared the equator of the egg and start picking at either the top part or bottom part of the shell, you can eventually start peeling off the egg membrane, and it makes the remainder of the egg shell easy to peel off. So just to summarize again, remember I'm peeling 4 eggs here so I can demonstrate it quite easily. You're going to put the egg on a plate, kind of hit it to make it crack, and then roll it around on the plate. Then you've got multiple cracks along the entire eggshell surface. Then start picking at the center of the egg and go around the equator of the egg. And then once you've done that, start picking at the top portion or bottom portion of the shell, pick away at it, and you'll be able to take that part of the shell off quite easily. If you can get hold of the membrane between the eggshell and the white part of the egg and start peeling that off, that will make the eggshell come off a lot quickly. But this is my technique on how to peel an egg quite quickly. If you found this video useful, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you want me to explain something further, I certainly will do, but thank you very much for watching.